Hello, my loves. Welcome back to my channel. Hello, my loves. Oh my gosh, I already know what you're thinking. Like, your girl is finally back. I know it has been literally forever. It's been like a couple years? I don't know, but it's been a long time. But your girl is finally back here on YouTube, y'all. And I'm super excited, y'all, because as you can see, your girl has made a few changes. Yes, y'all, your girl has been getting her art space together. And of course, let me know down in the comments below if y'all want me to drop that art space tour, because you know your girl got you. So yeah, you guys, I'm super excited to be back. I missed you guys so much, and I cannot wait to just share with you all, like, you know, all the updates and everything. It's just gonna be so much fun. And yeah, today we are going to be drawing my OOTD. It's like a little springtime OOTD, even though summer's right around the corner, but it's still a cute little summer look too. And I will have like a little code down below for you guys to get a percentage off at Shein. So yeah, y'all, this is gonna be a fun little cute little video, and I hope y'all enjoy watching. So let's go ahead and get started. Hello, my love. So I'm going to be starting out with my sketch, and I'm going to be using my raw sketch brush from my very own paintbrush set, you guys, for Procreate. If you're interested in it, it's available in the links below. But anyways, you guys, I'm super excited to get into today's video where I will be drawing my OOTD. As you see, I took some pictures here on the left. This is a app that I'm using called VizRef, where you can put your references right beside your drawing app on the iPad. So that is what I'm using, and it's amazing. I've been using it for every time I need to have my references right beside me. And also right here, I forgot to record the part where I was drawing the face, and as you can see, I had to redo the face like over and over again until I was happy. So that was something that I felt was important to show. Like, when I'm drawing, I just take my time with it, and I do it over and over as many times as I need to until it turns out the way that I like it. So that's just like a little tip from me. But anyways, you guys, I'm so happy to be back here just talking to you all and just chatting it up. And I just wanted to just come in and give you guys some encouragement and just to inspire you to continue to create, continue to explore your creativity, and to not be discouraged if you don't see any traction, or if you don't see your art like getting any views or anything like that. Like, I want you to not get discouraged, and to remind yourself that you're doing this because you love it. It's something that's fun for you, and it's not about how many views you get, or, you know, how many likes a post gets, or anything like that. And one thing that I remind myself of is that I am here to inspire and to encourage someone, and to think about what my words or my art can do for somebody. Like, maybe I can uplift somebody today, or maybe I can encourage them just to keep going. Even if I got like just a couple of views, just knowing that I help somebody or encourage them or inspire them, that's what really matters. You know, when we realize that we are here to inspire, to encourage others, to help others who may need some uplifting or encouraging, or just to put simply a smile on somebody's face. Like, if you have that talent to be able to create something or say something that can help somebody feel better and to uplift them and encourage them, then do that. And remember that that is the sole purpose. That right there is what's most important, is that we are helping others, you know, whether it is through uplifting somebody else with inspiring or encouraging words, or just creating beautiful art that can put a smile on somebody's face. And I absolutely hope that my art puts a smile on your face and inspires you every time you see it. And I'm just so happy and I'm so thankful that you guys are here with me on this journey as I've been improving over the years, practicing and drawing and discovering my style and, you know, how I want it to go and flow. I'm so appreciative of it. And I really wanted to, you know, go for a very fun, you know, upbeat kind of cartoony style for my OOT drawing and just envisioning myself as my cartoon self. And this is what the vibes I guess I was feeling. And I noticed that, like, when I'm drawing, you know, it doesn't always end up looking the same style each time. And, you know, I don't beat myself up for that. I just allow myself to have fun with my art and have fun with it and learn on the way of what I like and what I don't like, and just continue to practice and not give up if it doesn't look right on the first try. Because I'm telling you guys, I have to warm up and I have to practice and sketch, which I didn't even really warm up that much. That's why I had to redo the face like over and over again, as if you saw on the screen recording that I showed. So you have to take your time with it and know that it's okay to try over and over again until it turns out the way that you would like it to be. Also, I know that I mentioned, you know, perfectionism and stuff like that, and just making sure that you're having fun with it, not beating yourself up if things don't turn out exactly the way that you want them to be. Just continue to know that you have the time to practice, you have the time to discover what works for you, and to not beat yourself up about it, to have fun and enjoy the process along the way. And yeah, you guys, this is just some little encouragement that I just wanted to give you all, and it's just great to be back to be talking to you guys again. And I really hope that you guys have been enjoying your art journey if you're an artist, or just been enjoying your life, period. And yeah, you guys, I have been doing a lot of work on my coloring books. If you guys have seen on TikTok, like, the coloring books were really doing so well, and I was really busy with that for a while. And I'm so happy of the feedback I've gotten from the coloring books. Everybody loves the coloring books so much, and I'm so happy about that. And it just makes me so just warm inside, just to see how I've put a smile and encouraged and inspired others through my books as well. So that really makes me happy, and I'm so thankful to God for just inspiring me and, you know, always making me reminding me to, you know, keep going and to just do my best with what I can and what I do have, because that's what's important, you know. And that's what I've learned over the years too, that everything is a process, and we have to trust in God. Like, I have to trust in God with the process of learning, discovering new things, and not rushing to try to get to a higher level when I'm not ready for it yet, and just enjoying the process of where I am now and doing the best with what I do have, so that way I can get there and I can, you know, get to a higher place in my skill levels. But as of now, I need to be grateful for where I'm at now and just do my best to improve with the skills that I have, and continue to learn and correct anything that I don't like, and just practice it, you know. So it's always important to just make sure you're easy on yourself, like you're not beating yourself up, and you're just taking your time with everything that it is that you're doing, and to not be afraid to share your art and to put it out there, because over time you're going to continue to get better, you're going to continue to grow, and you'll even be able to help other people out and encourage other people to share their art, or just uplifting anybody with maybe a message you have, or any stories that you want to tell with your art, or whatever that may be. You never know whose life you can change just by sharing the beauty of your creativity, you know, because I believe that God created us to create because He is the creator of all things. And I believe that He has created us to create just like He has. And when we do create, it can do so many things, and we never know until we try. So just don't give up. Continue to experiment, have fun, you know, try out different mediums, you know, things that you've never thought that you would do before with art, or whatever it is that you're interested in, whether it's music or maybe building something, or whatever that may be. Just have fun and experiment, because you never know what might spark your interest or what hidden talents you may have. And don't be afraid to fail, you know, because failure just gets you closer to, you know, being better. You know, it just teaches us, you know, when we make mistakes, it teaches us to do better the next time. And I think it's always important to not beat ourselves up when we make those mistakes, and to remind ourselves that as long as we're trying, that's better than not trying at all, you know, and to just continue to keep going, get up every day and make one step at a time. You know, you don't have to make a whole Picasso or like a whole just, you know, master art piece, you know. And, you know, just take it one step at a time, one day at a time, and you definitely will get there. Like, there's no doubt about that. Like, when you just continue to, it's kind of like watering a plant, you know, like every day you have to take care of that plant. You have to water it, you have to feed it, and it grows the more that you take care of it. So that's what I think about every time like I'm practicing or I'm wanting to get better at something. As long as I'm pouring into it every day, like it's a plant, I am placing those seeds there so it can grow. So that could be maybe you watching one YouTube tutorial every day on how to maybe draw hair or how to draw hands, whatever it is that you need to improve on, whatever, you know, genre that may be in, either it's art, painting, drawing, music, or whatever it is that you're interested in life. Just taking it day by day, step by step, and pouring into yourself. Even if it's one little thing, like don't beat yourself up and think that you have to spend all day long, you know, trying to, you know, make this masterpiece. But even if you just open up your book and even just draw a circle, if that's all you can do, you still did something. And, you know, if you do that one little step, taking one little step every day is better than nothing at all, you know. So, you know, don't beat yourself up. Don't try to, you know, do too much and overwhelm yourself, but take it one step at a time. And most importantly, have fun with it, and just remind yourself that, you know, it is fun to do. It's something that you love to do. And if you really love to do it, you know, you will just enjoy it, you know, enjoy that process, you know. So I hope that that encouraged you and inspired you to just take that step, you guys, because you never know where one little step can take you, one little step a day, and I believe in you. And I also have some great news. We will be embarking on a new adventure with our email newsletter, you guys, and I have called this new adventure Rawsueshii's Creative Corner, and we will include monthly art challenges, expert tips, exclusive perks to spark your art journey in this newsletter, you guys. So it's going to be something fun and new that I'm trying, and it's going to be a great way to just kind of get engaged more with the community, where we all can come together and really share our art and just have a good time together, you know, arting it out and getting creative, you know. So I hope that you guys check that link down below for that. And also, you guys, if you all like this outfit in the video, I do have a code down below for Shein for 15% off using the code Christina Lorre 15 if you're interested. So that's just a little announcement that I wanted to make to let you guys know to check those links below for anything that you might be interested in, like the tablet holder that I'm using here. And yeah, you guys, let me know in the comments below if you have any more questions and all that kind of stuff. And yeah, I'll see you all at the end of the video. Alrighty, you guys, so this is the final result. Oh my gosh, I think it turned out so cute. Like, I love this little spring look. Super cute. I love how the colors came out. Notice how I made the skirt design a little bit more simplified. I just felt it looked better that way. Also, down below I have put the link to this outfit details from Shein, as well as my 15% discount code. So yeah, you guys, check it out, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Alrighty, you guys, so that was the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching me draw my... One of my lights just fell, y'all. I gotta get that together, so don't pay attention to that. Anyways, so yeah, y'all, I hope y'all enjoyed watching me draw my OOTD. Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think. Oh my gosh, I think it turned out super cute. And yeah, I can't wait to do more OOTD drawings because those are like literally so fun. But yeah, let me know down in the comments below what videos would you like to see on this channel. I am super excited to just be back and filming again because it's just gonna be fun. We're gonna have a fun little time, and I miss you guys. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video to anybody who would enjoy watching it. And yeah, you guys, I love you guys so much, and I just thank you so much for being a supporter this long and for just waiting for me patiently to post again. Like, I appreciate you guys so much. Your love and support do not go unnoticed. Like, I'm so blessed to have you all a part of my journey. And yeah, you guys, I love you all so much. Peace, love, and God bless, my loves. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.